If you want to improve your productivity as a developer, the first thing you need to do is to accept that most generic productivity advice is not built for deep, thinking-heavy work. Coding is about holding complex mental models in your head, making decisions, and staying focused long enough for ideas to connect. And in this context, productivity isn't about doing more things, it's about creating conditions where your brain can actually do hard work without fighting distractions all day. Mark Twain said, "If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first." Which has his weird way of saying that you should start your day with the hardest task, because your mental energy is highest early on, and that's when you should tackle work that requires real thinking, like debugging a nasty issue, designing a system, or refactoring something fragile. If you burn that window on emails or easy wins, you end up pushing the most demanding work to a time when your focus is already depleted. Most bad days of productivity start with a bad first task. Once you know what the hardest task is, the next rule is limiting work in progress. Having too many active tasks feels productive, but it slows you down because your attention is constantly split. Every unfinished task competes for mental space, even when you're not actively working on it. Committing to finishing one meaningful thing before moving on reduces mental load and makes progress visible, which keeps momentum going. To make that focus practical, define a single daily done goal. This is the one outcome that makes the day a success, regardless of everything else. Not vague effort like work on a feature, but a clear result like the feature works end to end. This shifts your mindset from staying busy to actually shipping something, which makes it much easier to say no to distractions that don't move the needle. Time blocking is what turns intention into execution. If something isn't on your calendar, it's optional. Blocking time for focused work creates a boundary that protects your attention. You're not scheduling every minute, you're reserving space for deep work, so it doesn't get eaten by meetings, messages, or random requests. Seeing your time visually also makes overcommitting harder to ignore. Reducing context switching is another major win. Jumping between code bases, features, or domains forces your brain to constantly reload context, which is expensive. It can take a long time to fully refocus after a switch, even if it feels quick in the moment. Grouping similar tasks together and staying in one problem space for longer stretches improves both speed and code quality. As you work, documenting decisions as you go saves future time. This doesn't mean writing long documents, just short notes explaining why something was done a certain way. Future you will forget the reasoning faster than you expect, and writing it down once prevents redoing the same mental work later or reopening old debates. Next up is shallow work. It still matters, but it should be batched. Emails, messages, and small updates are necessary, but letting them interrupt deep work constantly kills momentum. Handling them in dedicated windows keeps them from fragmenting your day while still making sure nothing gets dropped. Finally, end your day by planning tomorrow. Spending a few minutes deciding what the hardest task and daily done will be removes friction from the next morning. You start the day executing instead of deciding, and unfinished tasks stop lingering in your head overnight. When you put all of this together, productivity stops being about willpower and starts being about structure. You're not forcing yourself to work harder, you're designing your day so the right work happens naturally, which is exactly what productive developers do consistently. And like I mentioned earlier, time blocking is one of the techniques I started using to boost my productivity as a programmer, and Akiflow, the sponsor of today's video, helped me a lot with that. It's one of those tools that quietly fixes a real problem I've had for a long time. Too many tasks scattered everywhere. Emails, Slack messages, Notion notes, random to-dos, sticky notes on my desktop. Akiflow pulls all of that into one universal inbox. So instead of chasing tasks across apps, everything shows up in one place. What really made it click for me is, as I mentioned earlier, time blocking. I can take any task and literally drag it straight onto my calendar, color code it, and see what my day actually looks like instead of guessing. No fake productivity, just real time on the clock. They also have an AI co-pilot that learns how you work and helps auto-assign tasks, plus daily and weekly rituals that force you to plan instead of react. And the stats feature is honestly humbling. It shows where your time actually goes, not where you think it goes, which, to be honest, surprised me more times than I'd like to admit. So if you want to make your time actually work for you, check out Akiflow using the link in the description.